Welcome to today's gardening lesson. I'm Hilary Jensen, OSU Wasco County Master Gardener, and I will be discussing how to harvest potatoes. I'll be digging up Elba potatoes today, which are an indeterminate potato variety. They are slow growing and produce tubers all along the stem where soil exists. I like to wait for the plants to die back before digging them up. This helps the tubers store up as much starch as possible and also ensures that the skins are thick, which helps them last in storage. All right, let's get harvesting. I like to use a pitchfork, and I'll gently poke down and try to just loosen up the soil so that I can get the plant out and hopefully leave the potatoes intact. All right, let's see what we can get out of this. All right. In our sandy soil here, often my hands are the best tool that I can use while harvesting. Look at these beauties. And I'll keep digging down. I'm finding them all along where the roots of the plant went. After the harvest, it's important to let your potatoes cure for about 2 weeks at temperatures between 45 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, somewhere dark. I like to use my garage. This allows the skin some time to harden up, and any minor injuries will heal during that time as well. If you did poke or slice a potato during harvest, don't worry. Just set any damaged potatoes aside and be sure to eat them first. I hope this video has helped you learn more about harvesting potatoes. If you still have questions about this or any other gardening issues, contact the OSU Master Gardeners by leaving a message at 541-296-1217 or emailing to wascoextmg@oregonstate.edu.